Hit record.
Okay.
Okay.
So you bumped my finger.
Come here.
You big woo-woo.
Yeah, you can smell my leg.
Yeah, you big old baby.
Big baby.
It's a big baby. Yeah, if you recorded that and let your son see it, you sitting there scratching on Otto like that, and Otto's so photogenic, isn't he? He's a photogenic young man. Big old love. He's a love bug. Yeah, he's a big old love bug. Yeah. He wants his butt rubbed. You grab him by his hips, and he's ticklish by his hips.
I'll do what you did, Koala. Come here. Come here. I'll do what you did. Turn around. Turn around. Okay. I'm going to do what you do to Koala.
Yeah. Wow, this is neat.
You need your whole property.
I'll go up there to Koala. He's a big baby. Yeah, we're walking up there to Koala. Yeah, oh, Miss Koala. Yeah, little Miss Woo Woo. Oh, her so photogenic. Yeah, her is. Yeah, her's a big baby. Yeah, her is.
Trying to get my butt. Here, you get with her.
Yeah, big baby. Yeah, you want to get that? I'll tell you what, we'll get up here like this. Oh, yeah. Boy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, big baby. Oh, little Miss Kitty. Yeah, little Miss Tit Tit. Yeah, Tit Tit. Yeah, little kitty rub. Oh, you like that. What you been doing? You playing in the mud somewhere? Huh? Huh? What do you think? Huh? How long as Daddy's with you, huh? Yeah, you big old baby.
You big baby.
You big baby.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, if you walk around the backside of the trailer,
Oh.
I'll meet you over there with Samantha.
Oh, you know what?
Huh?
That's the first time she's given me legs.
Yeah, see?
Yeah. It's okay, Mama.
Baby, her getting used to her.